Hello everybody, this is Dr. Adriana Lopez. Thanks for being with me in this last session of the orthodontics model, session number 12. And remember, if you see this little white tooth next to a red question mark, that means a slide that you definitely want to pay attention to because one or two questions might come on in the exam regarding this topic. And today we're going to be talking about failure of teeth eruption and at the very end we're going to see a curve of spin. Okay, so first let's talk a little bit about the arch width and discrepancy. So remember that the maxillary arch is slightly longer in length compared to the mandibular arch. The reason is the sum of the